Welcome viewers to Math Help. So today we'll be looking at multiplication of a matrix by a vector. So looking at the question on board, we have the matrix A equals 5 neg 2 3 0, B 5 minus 1 1 3, and the vector x 3 4. In the question we are solving a vector, we are multiplying a matrix by a vector. So we solve question I, that is AX. So multiplying AX, we would have multiplying AS. If you have forgotten your basics, please kindly go and revise the introduction to matrices. But before that, please like and subscribe. Smash the like button and the subscribe button. That way we can be motivated to bring you more of the videos. We have the matrix A multiplying X. So this multiplication is possible because we have 2 by 2 multiplying 2 by 1, which is possible. So a matrix multiplying a vector. Now we move on to the calculation on the screen, which will be mode. We will choose 6, that's matrix. Then we choose A, that's matrix 1, to enter our data. The dimension of the matrix is 2 by 2, so we choose 5. So we want to fill in the data for matrix A. So we have 5 neg 2 3 and 0, so we maintain 0. So we store everything, and remember that we said any value you enter into a matrix is automatically stored on the calculator unless you clear memory before everything is lost. So AC, then we go on to enter the values for the vector x. The vector x is 2 by 1 matrix, so we go there. So this time around I want us to use the matrix on the calculator. So shift 4, which is matrix, then we choose data. We want to enter data, so we choose 2. Then let's give the value of x, that is vector x, matrix B, so we choose 2. Then its dimension is 2 by 1, which is 6. So we enter the values, which we have 3 and 4. Now we are set with all the values being entered. What we have to do now is to compute the value of A times x. So we move on the same way, shift, then matrix, which is 4. Then we say matrix A, we enter the value of matrix A into mat A. So we say, but before that, let's check and see if our values are in the matrix A that we imputed. So we check, so 3. Let's check and see if our values exist in. So true, our values exist in matrix A. Likewise, our values would also exist in matrix B, which contains the vector x. So now let's multiply our values. So we have matrix A times the vector x. We have stored the value of vector x in B, which is 2 by 1. So when we multiply this, and note that whenever we multiply a matrix by a vector, the resulting value is a vector. So we get our value to be 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Comparing it to the one we have on our screen, you could see that is the same value. Please remember to subscribe and like. Smash the subscribe button. See you on our next video. Bye.